Hey, so the walk got cut a little short this morning. We've got a lot of rain here in Chicago, which is a good thing because we haven't had rain in about 2 months. So severe drought in the Chicago area. Today, markets are trading lower. Stocks have been hit all week on the back of that Fed news on Wednesday. FX, the dollar, has had quite a run higher. Seeing that euro dollar right at 1.19, trying to break below. British pound below 1.40. Again, that dollar yen north of 110. It's been a big week for FX traders. Speaking of which, FX, our day trading FX boot camp is Tuesday of next week. Only a handful of spaces remain. It's a virtual event. It's free, taking place on Tuesday for about, let's call it half the day. We've got a handful of presentations, each about an hour long. If you can't make it, that's okay. We're going to have an archived version up in our YouTube channel shortly after the event. You can go back and watch it at your leisure. But for those of you who are looking to trade these FX markets with as crazy as they've been over the past day and a half, and they're bound to be crazy again, make sure you check out that event and get signed up for Tuesday. We want to see you there. All right, folks, it's Friday. That means let's finish the week strong. Let's go get some. Hopefully the rain clears away here soon. We get a nice sunny day and we can enjoy that weekend. All right, have a good one. I'll see you Monday.